y'all, welcome back to another video. I am here to do like a vlog style video because I wanted to get on here and chat with you all. I have a few things I want to share. I want to share my gratis from Sephora, because if you're clicking on my channel for the first time, I do work at Sephora and each month we get gratis. I also have some items that I'm looking to sell, some luxury items. And I also wanted to update you all on a unboxing that I did maybe like a week or two ago. Just wanted to get on here because of course I bought some accessories to go with my newest purchase, to also share that in this hair video. Miss Tamika did get her hair did. I just got some braids. I usually do my own braids, but I just wanted to get them professionally done to some little young girl. They're cute. Something different. So with that being said, we're going to, I think I'm gonna share a few of my favorite items as well in this hair video. I got cute today and I wanted to film a video, but I wasn't sure what to film, so I came up with this. If you want to see all the goodies and hear about what Miss Tamika has been up to, then y'all know what y'all need to do. Y'all need to go ahead and click on that subscribe button, you all, because it really helps out my channel. And with that being said, we're gonna go ahead and jump straight into this here video. Off with my gratis bag. I did peek in the bag because I had the bag for a couple of days now and I just couldn't wait until I filmed the video. So get Good Jeans by Sunday Riley. I do have this already, but I heard Beyonce uses this. You know, I don't know for sure because I don't know Beyonce, but I heard through the grapevine. Also got something from Supergoop. It's the Triple Prep weightless moisturizer, and it do have SPF 40, so this will come in handy for the summertime. But it has this thing where she feels like she don't need sunscreen in the winter, and I said, girl, we supposed to wear sunscreen all year long. So I got that. I'm happy to try. I got the Way hair gloss. I think this is new. It's supposed to be something, I can't even see that. Shine in the showers. The hair gloss is made with, I can't see that, y'all, but it's a hair gloss. Can't wait to try this in my hair. It says protect, color, and treat damaged hair. So I don't have damaged hair. I just have really like thin. I don't know, for some reason I feel like I lost my hairline. I don't know what happened to it. Yeah. So that's going to come in handy when I wash my hair. I'm excited about this because Anastasia came out with the new brow freeze. Right now I am using the Sephora collection, like a brow gel after I do my brow gel after I do my brows, just to keep them in place, especially in the summertime. Like, I cannot leave the house without brow gel because I may come home with no brows. Did get another brow wiz. I got dark brown. Is that the color that I use? Yes, I got dark brown. And like I said, we got the new brow freeze, and it's supposed to be a lot better than her original. And y'all, I love a spiky brush like this because it gets all up in the hair. So I love a spiky brush like that. This here is the brow freeze gel. I guess it's supposed to mimic this, the actual brow freeze. So now it's in like a it's like in a mascara tube. So we got that, and I'm glad because I needed another brow pencil. On to the next item we got was some Sephora cleansing wipes. Of course, I can always use some makeup removers to use because y'all, if y'all don't know, I have been using the original Paula's Choice, and oh my gosh, when I tell you, I have gotten so many compliments on my skin. Like, so many compliments. And I remember at the time I was using this and I was just like, oh my gosh, like, I see results. I'm excited to try this one out. I don't know what's the difference. It says improve sun damage, dullness, and fine lines. Improve sun damage, dullness, and fine lines. So yeah, I can't wait to try this. I did get something from Charlotte Tilbury. She did come out with like a new set of lips, and I like the fact that she came out with some cute packaging. Of course, this is a red lip, and this is not a red lip I will wear. But yeah, about nudes instead of red lips, because who wants to wear a red lip? But yeah, I'm glad I have it because I'll probably just throw it in my purse for the packaging. The last two items, didn't know, Glow Recipe came out with the toner. This here is the is new from Glow Recipe. This here is the Cloudberry. Is new to Glow Recipe. It is a Cloudberry bright toner. I love Glow Recipe packaging, you all. It's just, they just have the cutest packaging. And oh my gosh, I cannot wait to use this. And again, this here is a toner. My daughter wants this, so if she wants it, I'm gonna go ahead and give it to her. But if not, it'll go in my skincare basket. Not least, y'all, I was excited about this because we do have this at our store, and I did try it, and it's really nice. Here is a hair fragrance mist, and it just smells so soothing. Like, it gives you that I'm at a yoga studio, woo-sign and relaxing. Like, this hair smells gives you that vibes, like nice and relaxing. And I like the mist because it's like really fine. Like, it just gives you like nice and calm. That's what I meant to say, like calm. I want to relax. I want to woo-sigh. It's nice. And she did come out with the lotion. Y'all know I got the lotion. And then she came out with a full-size lotion, and she also came out with something you rub against your pressure points or your wrist area, and you rub it together, and it's supposed to like I forgot what it's supposed to do. If I remember, I'll insert a picture of the other item. Everything that I got in gratis, I will say it was a lot better than December. I don't know, but when I first started Sephora in December, I always thought December gratis would be really big because it's like Christmas packaging and Christmas things. But child, I think we got like 2 or 3 items during Christmas. And keep in mind, I'm not complaining because I'm grateful for whatever I get, but I'm just saying, you know, I said before, they was giving out a lot of skincare. I feel like they kind of mixed it up just a little. So yeah, we got that for gratis for January, and I cannot believe, you all, it's already February next week. Time is moving, like moving and grooving. Show you this really quick. If you have a TJ Maxx and Marshalls, I would highly recommend you going to check this here out. It comes in a set of, I think, 5. I did give 1 away. Well, I gave 2 away, and I have 2 left. So what was that? So maybe 4 or 5. I like this because when I carry around my compact powder that does not come with a power puff, I have this now. Compact powders, they don't put like little what is it called? They don't put little power puffs in them. Like, for instance, NARS. It's a nice one, but you don't have a way to store something that comes along with it where you can blot your face. And even with the Charlotte Tilbury, very nice, cute packaging, but again, you don't have a place where you can put a power puff. The fact that not only is it small, but it comes in its own case, so I don't have to worry about throwing it in one of my you know, bags or purses or whatever, or putting it in like a little plastic bag or whatever. Now, I will say the Fenty one do come with a little spongy thing like that, and my Gucci one also comes with a poof. So I like the brands that include the little puff, you know, with the powder. Now, this hair powder I use under my eyes. I don't know, it just gives me that flawless look. Let me show you really quick. I did do an unboxing. I probably try to leave it up in the cards. I did do an unboxing on these here AirPod, what is it, AirPod Max. I'm in love with these so far. Like, I'll just say so far. I did purchase some blingy accessory to go along with it. And I did get this hair off of I did get these hair off of Amazon. It's like a, I don't know if it's giving like a spider web type of vibe, but I got it because it was really cute. You know, when you go to put them on, you know, it's just really, really cute. One thing about these hair cases, it's hard to fit inside of this hair. You can fit it in the case with these hair things on it, but you can't close it like that. So what I have to do in order to keep the case, because I feel like taking these hair cases on and off will be a headache, because they were kind of hard to put on. Like, I will say they were kind of hard. One of the diamonds or rhinestones or whatever ended up coming up, like ended up coming off, so I did have to use some nail glue to glue it back down, and it was kind of hard to put on, I will say, to the point where I didn't want to pop this on and off. Like, it's not like a hard shell where you could just plop it on and plop it off, because if you could see, it's like silicone and it wraps around the AirPods, so trying to get them on and off is a pain. To keep this hair case on, I have to take these off, and taking them off goes back on really easy. And if you're not sure which one goes with which, they have the R and the L right here for you. So I'll just plop them back on like so. Put them in my case, because like I said, they do fit in the case with the with this thing on, but they just don't close. Like, and see, I don't know if it has to snap close in order for it to charge, because when you charging these, you have to put them back inside its case. With them not closing completely, I don't know if that's going to stop them from charging. So that's why I just popped off the AirPods, the little cushion, just so it can fit and charge. So far so good. If you're not sure about these hair, I highly recommend getting them. But I will say I will wait until they go on sale, because I did catch these on sale. They were under $400. I mean, that's still a little pricey, but it's better than paying the $500 or something. So with tax, it was a little over $5. But I feel like I still got a better deal versus the original price. Often Best Buy will have a sale, and that's what I did. I stalked the website like crazy, purchased those refurbished, but I don't know, for me, I didn't want to, because the price wasn't that different. Now, if it was like maybe $3 something, maybe, but the price was like $420 or $419, and they were $480. So I felt like the price difference wasn't that big of a, wasn't getting a big discount purchasing on refurbished. And I'm cheaper than that, then yeah, I would recommend. But for me, it made sense to purchase them brand new. Warranty goes when you purchase something used from Apple, because with those I think it's a year. It says 2025, so I have until next year as far as warranty. This is my really quick review. I do have some more cases coming. Now those particular cases, that particular case I got off of Amazon, and I will link it down below if you all are interested in purchasing that. It would have looked really, really nice on the silver ones, but like I said, I was just scared to purchase them, because like I said, I didn't want to have no issues with them getting dirty. But that has the silver, they probably would look bomb on the silver pair. The ones from Shein, of course, I will share with you all that particular haul, because I did add some extra stuff with that particular order to the luxury sale. I have a total of 4 items. This one item, it is new to my vlog sale. So here is the box, and if y'all know Gucci, this is like the this here is like their old packaging. So here is the wallet, and you have your little Gigi here hanging. For a total of 10 card slots, you have slots here, and you also have 4 slots here. You have 2 inside pockets, and you also have a zipper pocket. For inside zipper pocket, like I said, everything as far as this wallet is in excellent condition. Like I said, if you're looking to just purchase the wallet, let me know. With the box dust bag, as you can see, and I have the actual clear plastic. This was like one of my first Gucci pieces. Moving on to my next Gucci. This here is the newest Gucci packaging. I am looking to sell. Oh, I thought that was the bag. It's not. So I'm gonna have to go back in the closet. So before I show you the actual bag I'm looking to sell, not the bag, that's my daughter's bag. So I'm gonna have to go and grab the bag that I want to sell. Something from Louis Vuitton. It's just the one item. I am looking to sell the Karigami in a set of 3. You have your this here big size, your medium size, and your small set of 3. This was like YouTube made me buy it because I really don't have a use for this. If I'm being honest, like I tried to make it work, but I'm like, Tamika, you really don't have a use for this. Could have returned it, or I made up my mind before the return was over. Like, I don't know, for some reason I thought I had a use for this, and I really don't. Like, I did buy the inserts to turn this into like a crossbody bag and everything. So if you do decide to purchase the Karigami, it will come with the inserts and the chain. Just this here off of Amazon, where you can convert the bag into like a crossbody, like one of those. I was watching YouTube and YouTube made me do it, purchase. I have my Karigami still available to purchase. We can, you know, work out a price. Last but not least, I do have a Gucci bag. So let me grab that Gucci and I'll be right back. Okay, so here is the Gucci box. Like I said, they all have their original packaging. Still brand new. I think I wore this bag maybe once or twice. The ribbon, paperwork, and everything. If whoever decides to buy this bag, I can wrap it as if it came from the Gucci store, because I know how to wrap those bags now. Here is the dust bag. I was downsizing to small bags, and this was one of the reasons I purchased this bag. But when I tell you this bag is a little too small for me, more of a date night bag. Like, it's cute, but it's more like a date night bag, and I don't go out on dates or anything like that, or not even necessarily a date night bag. Like maybe if you hanging out in the clubs, going with your girl or whatever, and you don't want to carry a lot. Like this here, you can carry your cell phone, your car keys, your driver's license, a lip gloss, and good to go. Because this here, it has card slots. It's card slots here on the back. So if you, like I said, if you're going out to the club, going to a concert, you can throw your essentials in here, and you'll have more than enough room. Because usually when you go out partying, you just need your cell phone, a gloss, maybe a mirror, some gum. Did I say fit in here? And then not only do it have like the card slots against the back, you have your keychain, like your key hook. I didn't even take the wrapping off of that. So like I said, whoever purchased this, you can peel this off yourself, attach your keys, and throw them in your bag. So yeah, y'all, I am looking to sell these items. I'm not sure if I want to purchase something else. Like I said, I am looking to get surgery done on my eye area. So if I can sell any of these things, it will help to fund that. Or unless I see something and I'm like, oh my gosh, I have to purchase that. Yeah, I'm trying to fund my surgery without having to spend a whole lot of money or try and finance it or whatever, because I do want to get it done, but I'm just not sure far as the payment part, because I'm trying to figure out the best way possible. So yeah, that was everything I wanted to share in this here video. So with that being said, I hope y'all enjoyed this here video. If you did, please give this video a big thumbs up, because it really helps out my channel. And also, before you go, please don't forget to click on that subscribe button and that notification bell, so you could be notified each week. That's right, each week your girl uploads videos. And until next time, and there will be a next time, I will talk to you later. Bye.